Yo, it's your boy Me 2 Times in the building, Mr. Get Right to Get Left, and welcome back to another episode of Real Talk with M2X, man. Hey, as y'all see, I'm in the car today. I'm on the way to Delaware right now. I got a job I gotta do up there, but I just thought I'd just make a little driving video for y'all and basically talk about some stuff, man. First thing first, I hope you had a blessed day. If you're just now seeing this, I hope you woke up feeling blessed. But man, y'all know how I've been on like my journey of like, you know, no PMO and nofap and all that and stuff. And before, like, my highest streak, which you shouldn't count streaks, by the way, because, well, I'm not gonna say that. I just say that because other people say that. You can count your streak, bro. You can, like, you know, just don't be so focused on it, because I believe that's when people relapse. Like, right now, I think I'm out about like 2 weeks since I've done it, and you know, I'm not checking it constantly every day and thinking, oh, I'm gonna get to 30 days then relapse. No, I'm gonna be trying to do this. Like, I don't want to ever go back to that stuff, man. And I want to say that, like, 14 days in, bro, like, my longest streak was probably like 23 days, and I did that back when I first started this channel. But I found the easy way to not do it, bro. And it may sound cliche, but the thing is, like, really, you just gotta stay busy, bro, and replace it with another habit. Like, ever since my video blew up, like, I've really been focused on my YouTube now, because that gives me so much more gratification. And editing, like the last video I posted, which if y'all ain't see, go watch it. That was a movie, bro. I edited that, took time out of my day to record that, edit it, used the drone, and you know, it took a little bit more work, but I had that delayed gratification, and it feels good to know that, you know, people are viewing that and I'm still helping them. But like, in that video, I showed a story. You feel me? Like, it was like movie type editing and stuff like that. And like, I haven't even thought about going back to PMO or like just watching that content or stuff like that, just for the simple fact that, one, yeah, my brain is rebooting, but two, I'm replacing that habit with something else. And another thing is, like, you have to get out the house more, bro. Like, everything I'm saying, I know it's gonna sound cliche, but it's really real, bro. Like, from that video that I posted, bro, like, I feel so much way better, bro. And I've been trying to quit masturbation and pornography and stuff for the longest, bro, probably like 6-7 years. And I just found out about nofap like 2 years ago. But man, I will say, like, for the longest, I even told my group chat last night, do you ever feel like porn just a part of your life since it's been with you for so long? And one of the guys in there said, he was like, no, not anymore, y'all changed my life. And I really thought about that. I'm like, yeah, bro, ever since I made this group chat, made that video, and met all my fans, like, my life has really been changing. Like, I haven't even thought about going back to that, because, like, just the thought of it is disgusting me now, man. And now that I'm spending my time doing more valuable things and, you know, being a producer instead of a consumer, bro. Like, I'm producing content instead of just consuming it, whether it be adult content, whether it be self-improvement content. Like, I'm being more of a producer than a consumer, and I believe that's what people have to be. Like, you know, we have to get out of this consumer mindset of where we just take in things, we have to put things out as well. And I believe that's why I was so locked in and felt like I was in shackles to the porn, bro, because, like, I didn't have anything else to like relieve my stress in a way. Like, I had hobbies like fishing and stuff, but that didn't give me as good dopamine, because if I went out all day and didn't catch a fish, I'll be pissed. But I know anytime I watch some videos, like, I'm gonna get a good feeling. But what I'm trying to get at is, like, you have to transmute that energy into something else, man. Like, if you really wanna quit this addiction, bro, start something else, bro. If you've been wanting to start a YouTube, bro. If you wanna do TikTok, beats, make music, bro, do that, bro. So you focus all your time on that rather than porn, bro. If you focus so much time on something that you know is good for you and you actually enjoy, even though it's a little bit harder of a work, you're not even gonna have time to even think about going back to your old ways, man. And I know I'm still, what, 2 weeks into this, and it was hard in the beginning, but it's not hard. Like, I think the reason a lot of guys relapse is because they're not putting that energy into something else, and it's just stagnant energy. And I read something that, I forgot what the word was. It may be contagion or something, but it's like a stagnant mind is the devil's playground. Say you quit an addiction. If you're not doing anything to replace that addiction or bad habit or vice, the devil's gonna creep in and replace it with another bad vice. Because I believe one of the reasons I did my 23-day long streak is because I quit watching porn, but I started smoking heavily. And I was smoking every day, like so much, and I've never smoked that much in my life, but I was smoking. And before, I would like get kind of horny or something if I smoked or something. Y'all know what I'm talking about, bro. But then I just didn't even get that feeling. I just wanted to smoke weed, bro, and enjoy life. And I replaced it with a bad habit. Even though I felt it wasn't as bad as porn, it was, bro, because weed is damaging to your body, to your lungs, to your mind. No matter how much they try and say, oh, it's good for you and stuff, it's really not, bro. And I'm here to tell you, I will say there may be some benefits to it, but you're replacing it. You're replacing your pain with something. You're using it as a cope. And same way I used to use pornography and masturbation to get that dopamine hit to cope with what I was going through. That's why people use drugs. People say, oh, I can't eat, I need to smoke weed. Or, I have real bad anxiety, so I need to smoke weed. You're not going to the root problem, bro. You're just looking for something to replace it. And that's why I say, bro, like, don't just try and quit an addiction, because eventually you're gonna go back to that addiction, or you're gonna replace it with something as bad, if not worse. So that's why I'm saying, like, I'm on my YouTube grind now, bro. Like I'm so addicted to YouTube, and it's kind of getting bad as well because I'm not controlling as much. But like, I'm way more addicted to YouTube now that I wake up and constantly check my views, which is better than watching porn, bro. But it's like I just replaced it with another bad habit as well, because I'm always checking my views, and I could be making a video while I'm spending that time checking my views. So that's what I'm gonna work on to stop as well. But I will say, ever since I started doing YouTube, it helped me quit my porn addiction. And that's why I want to get on here and tell y'all, like, bro, replace that shit, man. Replace it. Like, that's the only way you're gonna overcome an addiction, bro. And you have to get uncomfortable. Like, if you're addicted to watching that stuff, man, but you got real bad social anxiety, like I do, go out and conquer your fears, bro. You're a man. Conquer your fears. Don't sit up here and be shy and timid and stuff, bro. You're a man. Girls will sense that on you, and you need to be confident in yourself. And I'm telling myself this through the camera, bro, because I need to remind myself, like, bro, what am I scared of girls for, bro? What am I scared of other people for? Especially if they're not portraying no harm to me. What am I shy for? And once you eventually keep exposing yourself to uncomfortable situations, you're gonna desensitize yourself to trick your, not even trick your brain, but to make your brain be like, oh, this ain't that bad. Like, you know, when you repetitively do something, it's like training a dog. You know, if you don't want to sit or listen, you repetitively, it's reps. You give him treats whenever he does something good, but when he does something bad, you know, you punish him for it. A negative and positive reinforcement, bro. When you get out and do that uncomfortable thing, it's gonna take work. Like, a dog's gonna have to work for the treat. But you get out your comfort zone, you're probably gonna meet a friend that's gonna make you a millionaire. Like you feel me? And if you keep sitting in a house and not doing what you're, you know, not doing what what you know you're really supposed to do and watching the videos and stuff like that, and maybe that quick dopamine, but it's gonna be a negative reinforcement because you're gonna still be afraid of girls, still have social anxiety and stuff like that. And that just goes to show that when we expose ourselves to more uncomfortable things, it's gonna pay off in the end, and it's gonna give us a better result. So yeah, I just wanna hop on here and let y'all know like what's been helping me not relapse and stuff like that. So I just wanted to share that with y'all. And yeah, bro, just replace your bad habits with a good one, man. Even if it's uncomfortable, bro. With that being said, bro, if you liked the video, make sure you give it a thumbs up, comment on it. Discord and Telegram down in the description below. But yeah, turn on that post notification, bro, because a lot of y'all aren't tapping in when y'all know y'all really should, man. So with that being said, I will catch y'all in the next video, man. And stay motivated, stay blessed, stay disciplined, and stay consistent, man. I love y'all. I'm out.